10 foods you shouldn't give to your cat no matter how pitifully it asks. Cats can't taste sweet things. Also, some foods are not only tasteless to them, but they're also very dangerous to their health. So while we think we are being good pet owners, we might actually be harming them. There are foods that are even poisonous to our cats, and we need to pay attention to them because it's always better to be safe than sorry. 1. Milk and dairy products. Most adult cats have an intolerance to lactose. Although they might like the flavor of milk and dairy products, it should never be fed to them as it is very harmful to their stomach. The ingestion of dairy can induce vomiting and diarrhea. If your cat is thirsty, give it water instead. 2. Chocolate and candy. There are 2 ingredients in chocolate that can be very damaging to cats: caffeine and theobromine, which can be easily absorbed by the human body, but not so much by cats. Once a cat eats chocolate, the ingredients become toxic to them and can cause liver failure. It is not recommended to feed our cats candy either. A lot of candy is loaded with sugar, which can be very harmful to a cat's health, just like it is for us, humans. Also, some candy can even poison our cats as well as make them choke. 3. Raw meat and fish. Raw meat and fish can contain bacteria and parasites that are resistant to antibiotics and can cause severe diseases. Their excessive fat can also cause a condition called pancreatitis, which is the inflammation of the pancreas. 4. Raw eggs. Raw eggs should never be fed to cats. When eggs are raw, they may have a bacteria inside which can affect their intestines. Also, there is a protein inside raw eggs which is very hard for cats to absorb and that can cause vitamin deficiency. If you want to feed eggs to your cat, feed it cooked eggs and, preferably, mix them with their food. 5. Onions, garlic, and chives. Even a small amount of these foods can be very dangerous to cats. Eating onions, garlic, and chives makes them develop hemolytic anemia and their red blood cells become fragile. In this case, cats will feel breathlessness, abdominal pain, and have discolored urine. 6. Grapes and raisins. These healthy snacks for humans can cause serious problems in our cats. Grapes and raisins are very toxic to them and can cause kidney failure, which could later develop into serious kidney diseases. The reasons for this reaction are still unknown. 7. Yeast dough. The biggest problem about the yeast dough when it is eaten raw is that it can rise after being ingested, blocking the intestines. To add to this, after it is fermented, the yeast creates sugars that contain alcohol which can be very poisonous to cats. 8. Nuts. Nuts are very high in fat and can make our cats gain weight easily. While nuts contain proteins and fats that are healthy for humans, cats cannot digest them easily. The high level of fats can also lead to stomach problems that can result in vomiting. 9. Mushrooms. 10. Tomatoes. Unripe tomatoes and their leaves and stems have a substance called tomatine, which is very toxic to cats. The ingestion of this substance can lead to vomiting, dilated pupils, loss of appetite, and many other symptoms. Is there any special food your cat is always asking for? Share it with us in the comments.